Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Two delicious treats in one serving. Let's see how to make this summer special ice cream cake. And for this recipe, here I am using chocolate cake. I have uploaded different types of chocolate cake recipes in my channel. You can check the description for the recipe link. You have to crumble the cake by using your hands, or you can use a blender and add that into a large bowl. And to mix with the cake crumbs, make a chocolate liquid with milk and cocoa powder. Pour this chocolate liquid into the cake crumbs and mix it. The amount of chocolate liquid required depends upon the size of your cake. So add the liquid little by little, mix it, and when you can hold the cake crumbs like this, it's ready. Now take a greased cake tin. You can use the regular round cake tin, but here I preferred the bread loaf tin so that it will be easy for me to slice each cake piece with the ice cream and serve it. You have to press down the chocolate cake into the tin really well, even on the sides. Now don't forget to grease the cake tin nicely so that after setting the ice cream cake, you can easily unmold it. Once the cake layer is done, freeze it for some time. Meanwhile, let's whip up some cream. So into a chilled bowl, add some whipping cream and start whipping. So here I'm showing you how to make the basic vanilla ice cream. You can add any fruit pulp or cocoa powder into this plain ice cream to make a flavored ice cream. But I'm keeping it simple with vanilla and chocolate flavor. So into this cream, add some vanilla essence and condensed milk and whip it till it becomes thick. Now the cream has nicely whipped up. Now to make the chocolate flavored cream, add some of the cream into a separate bowl and add some cocoa powder. First mix it using a spatula and then use a blender. Instead of cocoa powder, you can also use chocolate ganache and whip it. So first I was not satisfied with the color of the chocolate, so I added some more cocoa powder and mixed it. So first, instead of the normal cocoa powder, you can use dark cocoa powder as well. Now the chocolate ice cream is also ready. Let's assemble the ice cream cake. Take out the cake from the freezer and first add the white vanilla ice cream into it. Make a layer with the vanilla ice cream and on top of it add the chocolate ice cream. And if you're using the store-bought ice cream, just melt the ice cream, add it into the cake and freeze it again. So here I added vanilla ice cream again on top of the chocolate, and using an offset spatula, I just swirled it like this. And cover it using a cling film and freeze it for 6 to 7 hours or overnight. And once it is set, keep this on the countertop for some time and then flip this onto a plate and very easily unmold it. And that's it. Our ice cream cake is ready. You can serve it right away, or you can pour some chocolate ganache on top of this and serve it. And to slice this, dip your knife in hot water, wipe it, and then slice this ice cream cake. Oh, this is so delicious, very tasty. The chocolate cake is very soft and spongy, and the ice cream is so creamy. So definitely try out this summer special ice cream cake and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. I love to see your creations, so definitely try this recipe, take a picture of it, share it on social media and tag GreyPot. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.